How to create AI animated stories with ChatGPT. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device, and as you do that, launch the ChatGPT application and make sure you are logged into your account. Now under ChatGPT, what you need to just put as a prompt is you can just ask ChatGPT that you want a 3D animated or animation script with two characters. Now let's search for it, and as you do that, within few seconds it will give you the whole script for your animated stories. There you go. You can also add pictures, or you can just ask ChatGPT to add pictures, visualize it. You can just ask the whole dimensions and everything on how to get shot and everything. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.